Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, TikTok just tells you that you're following people way too fast and you basically need to chill out. Now, there's really one main way to fix this. There's some other things that you may be able to do, but the main way to go ahead and fix this for the most part is to just wait it out. As stupid as that sounds, as crazy as it sounds, if you're just made a new TikTok account and let's say you're just going through your For You page or whatever, and you're just following everyone that comes up. So you see this one, you see this one, you see this one, you just keep following whoever. TikTok may assume that you're a bot. Within the last, I would say, year, TikTok's been around for a long time, but within the last year, TikTok has been taking a really big approach against bots from a lot of different things that I've seen, which is a good thing. But because of this, more and more actual accounts, maybe like yours, TikTok may deem that you're a bot. Instagram does this, Snapchat does this. So you're just going to have to stop doing bot like activities. And one of those things being either like going through and liking everyone's post that you just see, double clicking, and then following every single person that comes by. TikTok is going to assume that you're a bot and limit how many times you can do this. Now, like I said, the only way to fix this for the most part is to wait it out. So that is pretty much the easiest way to fix this specific issue. But let's say for some reason you haven't really been doing that, you haven't been following anybody, but you're still experiencing this issue. Most of the time, this can be an issue within TikTok itself, so I wouldn't really freak out about it too much. Again, I would recommend waiting, but if you waited a long time and it's still not going through, what I would recommend doing is hopping out of TikTok, going within your app store. So go into your app store and just type in TikTok and update your TikTok app. Sometimes if you're on a super outdated version of TikTok, there can be a lot of problems. As you can see, I have an update available. So go on your Google Play Store, go on your App Store, go on your whatever other device you're using, and just update the app this way. A majority of the times, this will probably end up fixing the issue as well. If for some reason this doesn't fix it either, what I would recommend doing is going back into TikTok, essentially getting into an app like this. You want to go into your main panel. So click right here. Follow me if you want to, you don't have to. You want to click on the three dots which are up top. So click on the three dots. You want to scroll down and you want to go into the help section. So scroll down until you click see report a problem somewhere. So right here, you want to click report a problem. You'll come here. You want to scroll down to follow, like, comment, which is right here. You want to go ahead and just read whatever they say and see if it helps you out. As you can see, you just want to click follow and you want to click see, read all these things. It's going to tell you following too fast. Click here and it's going to tell you whatever. Sometimes if you click no, it's going to allow you to actually go ahead and still have a problem right here. And you can go ahead and explain to them exactly what the situation is. So tell them, my account is totally new or totally whatever just happened randomly. And then go ahead and write that down, be nice about it. You want to click report. And within a few days, probably within a few hours, they'll go ahead and either, unblock your account from doing those type of activities, or they'll send you a response saying exactly why those specific things happen. That's essentially how you go ahead and fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.